significant time. How unpredictable is this exam?
I think if I talk about all the 3 stages, it has its own unpredictability and it is on its own बहुत सारा level ऐसा भी है जो इसका predictable है. जैसे prelims mains की बात करें तो there is something called as current affairs. If you know the themes that have been there in news, you can predict themes, not the questions, but you can predict कि इससे question आएगा. President का election हुआ है तो president की question उस पे MCQ आएगा. It's very obvious you should have done that. Chandrayaan 3 launch हो रहा है तो उस पे question आ रहा है. तो ये चीज़ें I think थोड़ी predictability है, but unpredictability कम की कभी-कभी किसी सेक्शन का level is really tough. And what if you think that that was your forte and you find some dicey questions from there, you are like, so for UPSC I think ये 2 stages का तो we can account for कि prelims तो मुझे बहुत unpredictable लगा because I myself failed prelims back to back 3 times. But previous year question का अगर guide लेके चले ना and then couple it with themes in the current affairs, we'll be able to get some idea about which kind of questions are going to be there this year. Talking about interview, I don't know why nobody speaks this, but I think that there is some kind of variability across boards that exist and at times अब कितना भी कर लो वो वर्क नहीं कर. Last year I had 170 score, this year it's 200 and I do realize that there was improvisation this year a bit, but then वही जो factor की some bits कैसे marks आ रहे हैं, कैसे scores आ रहे हैं, क्योंकि opinion based होता है ये बहुत. So you don't know if the person is agreeing to your opinions or not. You both might not be on the same page with respect to that. So वो एक रह जाता है कि no matter how good answer in your mind it was, it cannot be what they were expecting from you. तो वो थोड़ा सा unpredictability तो वहाँ भी interview में मुझे लगती है. तो all the 3 stage has its own unpredictable level.